Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will discuss how to play a very beautiful song, very beautiful Christmas song. Last Christmas I gave it to my heart from Wham. This is 4-chord oriented song. The original scale D. So D major. 2 bar each. 2 bar each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thus 8 count on every chord. D major, and thus B minor and E minor, the third chord, and the fourth chord, A major. Okay. So you can play the whole song in knot position. Okay. So this is the knot position, D major chord. Yes, this is your D major shape. Maybe you know the G string 2 and the E string 2 and the B string 3. Yes, this is your scale D major, and this is B minor. Yes, your bar on, this is 2 fret, this first finger on, and this is the third finger on D string 4 and the little finger on G string 4 and the second finger on B string 3. Yes, that's the second chord, B minor. Okay, and this is very easy one, E minor. Yes, your second finger on A string 2 and your third finger on D string 2. This is E minor. And the last one, A major. Yes. Maybe you know this is very popular shape. Yes. The second finger on D string, the third finger on G string 2, and the last finger, the little finger on B string 2. All in 2 fret, 4, 3, 2. So la 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 la, give it away. This is B minor. This is E minor. La 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 la. I will give it to someone special. So there's a la 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 la. This is 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. La 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 la, B minor. La 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 la, E minor. La 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 la. You can add the D-sus2 also, and D-sus2, D-sus4. D-sus2 means D, this is A, this is D, and this is E. Fasting open. D-sus2. La 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 la, and then D major. This is a color you can use. La 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 la, B minor. la 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 la, E minor, la la. The fourth line on top, A major, la 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 la, and in the tail, D major again. Okay, so la 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 la. Now the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is very easy and very beautiful. This is a down up down up up down 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 down up down up up down. So one in tempo, 1 2 3 4. And this is the sound. On third down, down up down, down up down up, up down, and on last down. Just you have to lock on your palm. And you can play this style also. There is no lock. Just only the pressure release. Just pressure release. And now I will show the extreme beginner. They can play also this song notes, and in this case I will suggest they can play on C major scale. Is not position. In C major scale, the chords la 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 minor, la 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 la, la la, D minor, la 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 la, la 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 la, G and C. Once again, la la la, la 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 la, C, la 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 la, la 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 la, A minor, la la, D minor. La 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 la, G, la 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 la. And you can play the song notes also. In this case, you can play in this style. The notes, the B string 3 and the B string 1, Then third string, the G string open. Then B string 3, the E string open, and B string 1. Once again, look very carefully. And this is your C major chord. Okay, so you can play in this style also. Then the G string open, the B string 3rd fret, and the E string open, the B string 1, B string open, B string 1, B string open, and G string 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Once again. Here A minor chord. Then D minor chord, the E string open and the B string 3rd, the G string 2, B string open, B string 1, E string open, E string 1, and E string open, and B string 3. Then the B string open and B string 1, the G string 2 and G string open. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The E string open and the B string 3. Third line, the E string open, E string 1, E string open, and B string 3. The fourth line, B string open and B string 1 and B string open. This is G string 2 and G string open. This is G. 1, 2, 3, 4.